and I have instruction to pronounce the same. Miscellaneous application number 113 of 2025, arising from Nakawa capital case number 8 of 2025 at Nakawa Chief Magistrate Court. First applicant, Colonel Dr. Kiza Besigye. 2, Judge Lutale. Before Honorable Lady Justice Rosette Comfort Kanya ruling. The ruling is of 17 pages. Lead counsel, you want each and every word written on this ruling, or you want salient features?
The prerogative is yours, Your Worship. The declaration will suffice if it pleases
you. And for the one who has not yet, who did not get the chance of getting to UPE, yet is interested, we shall pronounce the whole of it, I think, for the benefit of the public. Background. Colonel retired Dr. Kiza Besigye and Haj Obed Lutale, hereinafter referred to as the first applicant and second applicant, and where the context permits, the applicants were charged with 1. Treason, contrary to section 223, subsection 1, part C of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. 2. Misprision of treason, contrary to section 25 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. The prosecution alleges that the applicants and others still at large between the year 2003 and November 2024, while in various cities, including Geneva, Switzerland, Athens, Greece, Nairobi, Kenya, and Kampala, Uganda, contrived a plot, act, or matter by force of arms to overturn the government of Uganda, as by law established and expressed or declared such plot, act, or matter by utterances and overt acts. In the alternative, the prosecution alleged that the applicants and others still at large in the places and in the time frame aforementioned, knowing that another person intended to commit treason, did not report the same to the authorities or use all reasonable endeavors to prevent the commission of treason. Legal basis of this application. The applicant brought this application by notice of motion under Article 23, Clause 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, 1995, Section 15 and 16 of the Trial on Indictments Act, Cap 25, and Rule 2 of the Judicature Criminal Procedure Applications Rules, for orders that A. The applicant be admitted to bail and released from remand / custody. The grounds of this application are stated in the application and further detailed in the affidavit in support deposed by the applicants are briefly that A. On the 21st day of February 2025, the applicants were charged with treason and misprision of treason at the Chief Magistrate Court of Nakawa.